everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Kadhi Pakora. This recipe serves about 6 people. For this recipe you need 2 cups of yogurt, 1 medium onion thinly sliced, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, 6 garlic cloves minced, 1 large green chili, half a cup of chickpea flour, which is basin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon haldi, which is turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a cup of oil, handful of cilantro finely chopped, and you will also need 4.5 cups of water. To make the tadka, you would need 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 garlic thinly sliced, 3/4 teaspoons of zira, which is cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoons of crushed chili pepper flakes, and then some butter. In a bowl, add yogurt, basin, which is chickpea flour, and 2 cups of water. Then using a hand blender, blend well. Make sure the mixture is not lumpy. Set aside when finished blending. On medium to high heat, in a pan, add oil, and thinly sliced onions. Fry until the onions turn light golden brown. Next, add the garlic minced. Fry for 30 seconds. Now add the tomatoes and green chili. Next, add all the spices: red chili pepper, turmeric powder, salt. Add a little bit of water and cook the tomatoes until they are fully done. On medium heat, fry masala for a few more minutes. When the water is gone, you will proceed to the next step. Next, add the step 1 mixture and 3.5 cups of water. Cook on medium heat. Keep stirring constantly for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it boils, lower the heat and let it cook for about 2 hours on very low heat. When doing this step, cover the pot but not 100%. Keep checking and it will be ready. Now that it started to boil, let it boil for a few minutes and then lower the heat on very low. Partially cover the pot and let cook for 2 hours. But make sure to constantly come and check and give it a little stir. While this is being made, we will show you how to make the pakoras for this recipe. For the pakora portion of the recipe, you would need 1.5 cup of basin, which is chickpea flour, half a medium onion thinly sliced, half a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 cup of potato cut in julienne style, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, and then less than 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 green chili chopped, and you will also need a little bit of water to make the paste. Add chickpea flour in a medium bowl, onions, cilantro, potatoes, mix together. Next, add the salt, crushed pepper, coriander powder, cumin, ajwain, baking powder, green chili, and some water. Do not add too much water all at once. Add as you mix. Cover and refrigerate for about half an hour before frying. Fry the pakoras on medium to high heat. Fry on both sides until they're golden brown. Now the curry is ready. Add the pakoras. To make the tadka in the pan, add oil and butter, and wait till the butter melts. When the butter is melted, add garlic, cumin seeds, and red chili flakes. Stir for about 30 seconds and then add into the curry mix. Then garnish with cilantro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.